Today's video is a review of this hairdryer from the brand Ribivol. This hairdryer claims to dry hair up to 50% faster because of the negative ion technology, and if you were to compare the looks of this to the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer, which retails for $399, it looks quite similar. This one currently retails on Amazon for $49.99. This is in what they call the rose color, and currently this product is an Amazon choice. And I do notice that the sound on this hairdryer is softer as compared to other ones on the market. So now for some close-up details on the product. This is what it looks like up close. Here is the hot and cool setting button. I always finish off my hair with a cool setting just to smooth everything out. And now there are two airflow settings. You have the fast airflow, slow airflow, cool setting, and the off button. And then they also have a detachable and removable filter so you can easily clean it. So this is the included packaging, the box right here, and their claim that dries hair up to 50% faster. And here they also mention that there's 3 heat and 2 speed settings, as well as a cool shot feature. And here we have 3 included attachments, the first one being the diffuser, and the other 2 are concentrator tips to help smooth out your style.